Welcome to Estonia, a charming country nestled in northern Europe. From medieval architecture and picturesque countryside to vibrant cities and a rich cultural heritage, Estonia offers a unique blend of history, nature, and modernity. This travel guide will provide you with essential information and recommendations to make the most of your visit to this beautiful Baltic nation. Best time to visit: Estonia experiences a temperate climate with distinct seasons. The best time to visit is during the summer months from June to August, when the weather is mild and the days are long. This period allows you to enjoy outdoor activities and explore the country's natural beauty to the fullest. Getting there: the main international gateway to Estonia is Tallinn, the capital city. Tallinn Airport, Lennart Meri Tallinn Airport, is well connected to major European cities. Alternatively, you can reach Estonia by ferry from neighboring countries such as Finland and Sweden. Currency and language: the official currency is the euro, and English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Estonian is the national language, but most locals are proficient in English, making communication easy for travelers. Must-visit destinations: Tallinn. Begin your journey in the enchanting capital city of Tallinn, known for its well-preserved medieval old town, cobblestone streets, and Gothic architecture. Explore attractions like Toompea Castle, Alexander Nevsky Cathedral, and the Town Hall Square. Don't miss the chance to walk along the city walls for panoramic views. Tartu. Visit Estonia's second-largest city, Tartu, known for its prestigious university and youthful vibe. Discover the charming old town, stroll along the banks of the Emajogi River, and explore the University of Tartu and its botanical gardens. Pärnu. Head to Pärnu, Estonia's summer capital, famous for its white sandy beaches and vibrant nightlife. Enjoy a relaxing day by the beach, explore the historic old town, and indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments. Lahemaa National Park. Immerse yourself in Estonia's natural beauty by visiting Lahemaa National Park, located near Tallinn. This park showcases diverse landscapes, including forests, lakes, and picturesque coastal areas. Explore the manor houses, hike along scenic trails, and encounter abundant wildlife. Saaremaa. Take a ferry to Saaremaa, the largest island in Estonia, known for its peaceful countryside, idyllic villages, and ancient castles. Visit the Kuressaare Castle, relax in the Kuressaare Spa, and explore the unique Kali meteorite craters. Cultural experiences: Estonian folklore. Experience traditional Estonian culture through folk songs, dances, and handicrafts. Attend a folk festival or visit the Estonian Open-Air Museum in Tallinn for a glimpse into the country's rich heritage. Estonian cuisine. Sample delicious Estonian dishes such as black bread, smoked fish, sauerkraut, and local game. Don't forget to try the national drink, Vana Tallinn liqueur. Practical tips: transportation. Estonia has a reliable public transportation system, including buses, trams, and trains. Consider purchasing an electronic card called Ühiskaart for convenient travel. Internet access. Estonia is known for its excellent internet infrastructure, and you'll find free Wi-Fi hotspots in many public places, including hotels, cafes, and restaurants. Nature reserves. Respect the environment and follow the guidelines when visiting nature reserves and national parks. Remember to plan your visit during the summer months to enjoy pleasant weather and longer daylight hours. Make sure to explore not only the capital city of Tallinn but also the charming cities of Tartu and Pärnu, along with the natural wonders of Lahemaa National Park and the tranquility of Saaremaa Island. As you embark on your Estonian adventure, embrace the local culture and cuisine, and take advantage of Estonia's efficient public transportation and widespread internet access. From its fairy tale-like architecture to its unspoiled landscapes, Estonia is a country that will leave you with unforgettable memories and a deep appreciation for its unique blend of traditions and modernity. So pack your bags, Immerse yourself in Estonian history, connect with nature, and get ready to create lasting memories in this enchanting Baltic nation. Estonia welcomes you with open arms. Conclusion: Estonia offers a delightful blend of history, nature, and cultural experiences that will captivate any traveler. Whether you're exploring the medieval streets of Tallinn, discovering the untouched beauty of national parks, or immersing yourself in Estonian folklore, this Baltic gem promises a memorable journey.